Hi, welcome to your Jobyoda resources. So for today, you are going to learn how to register to Jobyoda as a recruiter. So first, you have to go to jobyoda.com/recruiter and then click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, then you go to this page. Uh, of course, first you are going to put in your information here. It also asks if you are an RPO. So if you are, just click on that. If you're not, then you can find your industry. You can select different industries here. For today, let's go with the hospitality slash tourism slash airline industry. So basically restaurants, hotels, if you're hiring for that. And then you also have secondary industries. So for secondary industries, these are the different kinds of secondary industries that you can add. So aside from hospitality, tourism, airlines, if you're also hiring for, let's say, the BPO industry, media or creatives, uh, transportation or logistics, virtual employment network, all you need to do is click on these secondary industries. So when you start doing your job postings later on, you can target these industries as well, and not just the hospitality, tourism, and airline industry. So, for example, for this one, we'll go ahead with the transportation and logistics. And there you put your full name, your company name, your email address. The email address should be the same as your company domain. And then you also put in your phone number. And then you have to create your password, confirm the password, and then you are off to signing up. Now, once you've signed up, it will require, of course, an OTP authentication from your end, and it will be sent to your email address. So now that you're signed up, now we are going to start creating a job. It's going to prompt you to create a job first. So now we have your basic job industry already. You have hospitality, tourism, and airline, and then your transportation and logistics also. Now you have to choose your job category. So, for example, what job category are you hiring for? So, for example, for this one, we are looking to hire for someone in the food and beverage industry. After that, you can choose from a job subcategory. So the specifics. You're looking for someone uh, in the food and beverage industry and a senior crew. So just tag that and then click next. Then it will take you to the next page, which is going to ask for the job title. So maximum of 150 characters for the job title. Best practice is to put something that's going to be attractive to our job seeker. So, for example,
Hoy,
don't just
hoy,
put
hoy!
hiring for a customer service representative or hiring for a service crew. You can actually put some of the promos that you have. So, for example, you're hiring for a service crew, and then you're giving day one HMO. You can actually already put that. Okay. There are prompts here also if you type it in, but of course that's very limited. So it's still better to put your own job title. And then you choose if the job type is remote, hybrid, on-site, freelance, and then you add the location details if it's an on-site job. I'm putting here this address. You can also name the location. For example, you're hiring for a specific area. So here I put Mobiles Batangas, and then you just click next. Then it's going to ask you for the minimum years of experience. You can choose from those entries, and then no experience. So that's the minimum experience. And then you can add the salary. So you can put your minimum salary to the maximum salary range. If you want to make it
Hoy!
confidential,
Yan,
you can click on the
nanditigan
icon to
dito.
mark your salary confidential.
Anong trip
But of
niya?
course, for eyeballs, it's still best to put the salary because the job seekers like seeing that. And then from there, you select the educational background. Next would be the benefits you want to offer for this job. So we have a lot of different benefits. It would differ from company to company, right? But if you have free food, they want HMO. If you have transport allowance, if you have HMO for dependents, life insurance, and such, please do tag all of the benefits that you have for a specific job and then click next. This way, you will be seen more in the platform because the algorithm of Jobyoda shows your jobs not just specific to location, category, but also benefits. So once you continue with that, it's going to show you what plans we have. So we have the free plan and then the paid plans. You can start with the free plan first and then just continue to pay, even if it's a free plan. And there you have it. You are now on board. You just have to update your company profile, add sites, and then submit complete documents. And then a sales agent or a CSM from our team will also be communicating with you once you create your profile. So this is the view of your dashboard for now, since you're not yet done with setting up your whole profile. So now you just have to finish completing your company profile. So for example, the company name is already there. You just have to add your company size, your official email address, number, and then just put a photo. It will be the company profile photo that you have, so you can choose different photos. It's best, of course, to use a logo or maybe the building itself. For here, we are using just a generic photo from some of our past collaterals, and you just have to add the about company details. So there, you just add it here. Save profile details. And then you will have to add the super user details. The super user detail is usually the one who created the account. So for this account, it's me because I'm the super user. So I just have to put my company address. The company city gets taken from the geo location. And then you just have to start adding company wide benefits. So company wide benefits, benefits across your company. You just tag it there. From there, also, you just have to finish adding your site details, of course, the company profile, and then the job site. So add a photo of the site, add a photo either of the building or company culture within, like photos within the office or any other photo that you would like to put. You can also just put your logo. So let's say I'm just putting this random photo right now. Um, and then you add the site specifics, what region it is. Of course, the address is already there. And then you can add a corporate image also. From there, you have to adjust the working hours. What's the working days? Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. This is when the candidates can actually contact you, or it's your recruitment hub opening hours. And then you just have to update that. And then you can also add a few words about your site. So this is a test job. You just have to put whatever it is that you want to describe your site. You can make it like really attractive by telling them if you have any like sleeping quarters, if you have any promos, if you have free food inside the office. And then you add photos for your site gallery. This is so people can actually see, like where they're going to be working at. So if you have those photos, you can add them. You can add them from an upload, or you can also choose from your media library already. So the photos that you've uploaded in the past are going to be added in your media library. After that, you just have to update. And then again, if you have site specific benefits. So for example, only a specific site has free transportation allowance and all those stuff, you can update that there. Now we're just going to finish your first job creation and publish it. So some of these you've already input the details earlier. I see it's senior crew, food and beverage, hospitality, tourism, airline, but you can still change it if you've changed your mind. So there, I'm choosing wait staff now, and then I'll just click next. And the title that you entered earlier, it's auto captured already. So what level, again, fresher, no experience, it's all there. And you can also use our additional features, which are the chatbot or the chat 101, chat with the candidate. Basically, you can start chatting with your candidate uh, in the platform. You can initiate the conversation also. So you just click on those if you need that. Uh, for an in-depth step by step on how to use them, it's a different video, okay? So again, select a location for this job, which is our site, Mobiles Batangas. And then we can continue with the SEO keywords, job pitch, job description. Again, for an in-depth video on how to post your jobs, you have a different video for that. For here, you can then choose educational qualifications, skills, any certifications that you need, and then also the number of openings. So, for example, you can input 1 to 6, or there you can also enter a custom value if you are hiring more. Again, we've already input this earlier, so it's being captured by the system. So just click next. Same with this, the topics and then the benefits, unless you want to change. And then you just have to add the photos for the job postings itself. For job posting photos, of course, you can add your logo, add company culture photos, or add the promos itself. So, for example, if you had a job that has joining bonus, maybe you have a marketing collateral for that, that would be very good. So, people will be able to see it and they would apply to the job postings. From there, just publish the job. And once published, you're done. Congratulations, your first job is live. You are also registered to Jobyoda. So happy hiring, everyone.